All right. Here we go. So, to make a copy of a shared document, such as a Google form in a shared drive folder, you you have to open the Google form up and save, make a copy from there. If you right click and you make a copy from here, you won't be able to move it out of this folder. Okay, so it's very key. What you're going to do is really simple. Click on it. All right, and in the top right, you'll see three dots. You're going to click on those right there. You're going to hit make a copy. You have to make a copy from after opening the document. Or open up the form. And then you can name it whatever you want, right? I'll just put copy of and then just name it whatever you want, okay? And then you could choose what folder you want to put it into. You select that folder there, right? You can make it into a new folder, or you just keep hitting the back button until you get to right here, my drive. So keep hitting the back button to get to my drive, which is your drive. Click the arrow and then select what folder you want to put it in, right? So let's say I want to put it into, I don't know, this folder right here, right? Put it in there, and I can add it to any folder within there, right? So say I wanted to have it into this folder right here, one pagers. I click on it, and then I hit select, okay? And then I hit okay. And what that does is it creates a separate file, right? That's all yours. So if I go back to my drive, right? Back to my drive, and I click on the the folder in which that I save it into, it'll be right there. Okay. Now, where the heck did I put it? One pages. Bam. Right. And it'll be right there. Now, from here, okay, there it is right there. It's right here. Okay. That's the one you share. Don't right click and make a copy from within the drive. All right. Any questions? Contact mdecker@necsd.net. Thank you.